In the year 630 AD, the Arabian Peninsula was simmering with tension. The Battle of Hunayn was soon to be etched into the annals of history. Muhammad, the prophet of Islam, had just conquered Mecca. The city had surrendered with minimal bloodshed, and the inhabitants had largely accepted the new faith. Yet, not all tribes were willing to submit to the burgeoning influence of Islam. The Hawazin and Thaqif tribes, fearing the consolidation of Muslim power, were gathering forces to strike back. They chose Hunayn as the battleground, a narrow valley that would allow them to maximize their guerrilla tactics. The Muslims, numbering around 12,000, led by Muhammad himself, marched forth to meet them. Amongst the Muslim ranks were newly converted Meccans, their loyalty untested and their faith still nascent. As dawn broke over Hunayn, the Muslims advanced. Unbeknownst to them, the Hawazin had laid a meticulous ambush. The first wave of Muslim fighters, eager and somewhat overconfident from their recent victories, charged into the valley. Arrows rained down upon them from hidden nooks, causing chaos and confusion. The initial Muslim charge faltered, and many turned to retreat. The sudden reversal of fortune cast a shadow of doubt over the troops. It was in this moment of turmoil that Muhammad called upon his followers to regroup. Finding a vantage point, he was said to have shouted, "I am the prophet, undoubtedly. I am the son of Abdul Muttalib." His words rekindled the flames of resolve within his army. Amongst the ranks was a man named Malik, a once wary convert who had now found faith and fervor. Inspired by Muhammad's call, he rallied a contingent of soldiers. Malik launched a fierce counterattack. Slowly but surely, the Muslims turned the tide. The Hawazin, surprised by the resilience and coordinated maneuvers of their opponents, began to lose heart. As the sun reached its zenith, the valley of Hunayn echoed with the shouts of triumph. The Muslims emerged victorious, their power solidified further. The battle had not just been a test of military might, but also of faith and unity. The Battle of Hunayn remains a testament to the resilience and burgeoning strength of the early Muslim community. It highlights the pivotal moments that shaped their destiny in the Arabian Peninsula and beyond.